Hello and welcome. My name is Ronnie Hall from 1322 Investments, and today I wanted to make a short video about stock market trends. Years ago, Robert Stanley and his team did some research and put a book together called The Millionaire Next Door. And what they discovered was that the average American millionaire leaves their money in the stock market a lot longer than I ever thought. I always thought that in order to be successful in the stock market, you need to be in the right place at the right time, or you either need to have some inside information, but that's not what the numbers show. So I'll dig right in. Let's see. In his book, he discovered that 1% of the average American millionaire is a day trader. And of that 1%, only 1% turn a profit. So that's not nearly as many successful day traders as I always thought. They discovered that 9% trade yearly, 20% hold for a year or two, 25% hold between 2 to 4 years, 13% hold from 4 to 6 years, and about 32% hold for 6 years or more. So that shows you that these guys are doing their research and they're leaving their money in the stocks that they buy. Another interesting fact that they found was investors only invest 30% or less of their investment funds in the stock market. What they do other than that is they directly invest with companies, making investment loans to companies directly, rather than putting it in the markets, not having control. Another thing that I wanted to show you is what the actual returns are in the stock market. Okay, so you can see here, this middle section, the blue section, represents market. When you talk about market in the stock market, you're talking about the average. Okay, so over the last 15-year period, the average return in the stock market has been 8.2%. And this represents all investors, anybody that's investing, major players all the way down to regular Joes. 40% earn below 8.2%. So this could be 8.1 all the way down to a negative return. And only 10% make above 8.2% over the last 15-year investment, over the last 15-year trend. And this is similar to the 30-year trend as well. So I just want to point out that based on these numbers, you have a 90% chance of earning 8.2% or less in the stock market. Okay, so I want to give you kind of an example of what this would look like here. So if you're watching the ticker, on any of the news networks, it would stay in this area, 50% of the time, somewhere up in here, and then go down in here 40% of the time, and then up in here 10. And that's what the typical returns are. Okay, that's how it looks for a typical stock. So I just wanted to kind of point this stuff out to you guys. It was interesting to me. We appreciate you watching. I'm Ronnie from 1322 Investments. And if you have any questions for us, if you're interested, we've been doing some investing in real estate. And if you want to reach out to us, let us know some of your experience. We'd be glad to hear from you. You can visit our website up here, or you can give us a call, email, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. We'd love to hear from you. So thanks a lot.